पे I'm very pleasantly surprised माशाल्लाह कि we are thinking in these areas and we are conducting these hackathons. जब हमने 2004 में we started FireEye in US, we hired our first engineer in Lahore also as part of a company called PalmChip. Then that team grew up to 110 people in PalmChip and then later on in eBricks. The good talent, we moved to US. We moved to almost 10-11 people from those 110 people who were doing really good. So all those guys, mashallah, are doing great things in Silicon Valley. 3 of those guys have started their own companies. Abhi humans are not going to scale. Attacks are getting very intelligent. Attacks are using different sort of AIs. So एक software development side पे cybersecurity needs to be part of the architecture. We miss these things. On the offensive side, detection side, we need to make sure that we are using latest and tools and technologies as attacks are becoming very context aware, very user aware. I will be happy to mentor people who need help finding jobs, people who need help to start their own companies. I am voluntarily available to each one of you.